Hey, welcome to hashtag straight poop, poopers. I got some Barbeque sausage. It's a type of Italian sausage, although this is made with veal, pork, and beef. It's in a thinner casing, different spices, more anise, more fennel. It's sweet. It's a sweet Italian sausage. I've had them on for about 4 minutes. That's nice, man. And I'm just going to turn it. Simple. Try not to puncture it because, you know, all that juice is in there. And there's always the last one who wants to be an asshole. Okay, there we go. So, I also have some pesto garlic bread right here, and I've been warming it up on the grill. What it is, I made a pesto out of cannabis oil, keef, basil, garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and I just grated some Parmesan Reggiano on there, okay? I'm gonna do this. I got a little bit of brownness on there because I unwrapped it for you guys to show what we can do here. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna let this go for a few more minutes. I'm gonna remove it to a platter. I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna dress this up, okay? So thanks for joining us here on hashtag straight poop, people. You may hear cars in the background and some thump music. Those are my neighbors. Okay, we'll be right back, and thanks for joining us here, poopers. We got our Barbeque Italian sausage. B-A-R-A-C-I, Barbeque! That's the kind of Italian sausage we've got, okay? And what I did was, it's got pesto, keef, all sorts of stuff like I explained outdoors. And I just took a simple tomato sauce, and I've done it in several videos. Brown, got some color, browned some tomato paste, garlic, salt, pepper, cap full, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic, like I said. Okay? Nice, simple. I crowned it here. Simply. Oh, that's the bottom, sorry. But you do that, put it on top. Put it on the wrong side. Oh well, tastes the same, you know what I'm saying? Grab that free cookbook. It's at the comment section. Top, pinned, click it. You know what else I'm gonna do here? I don't want to shortchange you guys. I never want to do that. I love these little pepperoncinis. How's that sound? That's what I forgot to put there. So, that's well-rounded. Make sure you grab that free e-cookbook. My dogs love having you here. I do too. And you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Here on hashtag straight poop. We'll see you next time, guys. Hang loose.